Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. In today's video, I will discuss iPhone camera settings and show you what these settings do. While taking pictures on iPhone, in many cases, the picture is captured in live mode. That's why many people can't capture the desired image and the picture quality gets worse. So today I will show you how to turn off this live mode from iPhone. To turn off live mode, first we need to go to settings. Scroll down. Click on camera. Click on preserve settings. From here, turn on live photo mode. Now we have to go to camera apps. As you can see on the top right side that live photo mode is turned off. If it is on, then once off, it will be permanently off. Now if you take a picture, then the quality of the picture will not be lost. So hope you understood how you can turn off live mode. This was today's video. If you like the video, then don't forget to leave a like, comments and share. To get more new iPhone tips and tricks videos like this, subscribe to our Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.